the Gmail connection issue to the pop3 server. So for example, if you have an info@ account that's no longer receiving emails. So click on the settings icon, click see all settings, and then go over to accounts and import tab. Here you can see where you can send mail as, and also you can check email from other accounts. So you need to go into edit info to bring up the yellow pop-up box, choose next step, and then make sure that you change the SMTP server address to your own website address. So it's simply the website address dot whatever it is. So no www or anything like that, just exactly in this format. Make sure this is on port 465. Then enter the password that has been sent to you. Click Save Changes when you're done. If there's no red error messages, then it should be okay to use. Next, scroll down and go to the Check Email from Other Accounts option and click Edit Info. Again, the same thing on this. Change the POP server to your website address. Again, no www, anything like that, just the actual website address and the dot, i.e. .net.com. Make sure this is set to 995. Tick always use a secure connection, make sure that's checked, and then enter your new password into the box here and click Save Changes. When that is done, you should start seeing emails coming into your inbox. Okay, thank you for watching.